Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. What beauty fashion trends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. You know, it is love when you want to keep holding hands even after you are sweetie. When someone is so sweet to you, do not accept that person will be like that all the time. Remember even the sweetest chocolate expires. At the touch of love, everyone become a poet. Give the kind of love you dream of receiving. Love is the wisdom of the fool and the folly of the wise. It takes a couple seconds to say hello, but forever to say goodbye. Singing is for the lovers. Happiness is a warm puppy. His mind was library and I wanted to read all the books. Love me and the whole world is mine. You can always feel safe in my arms. I will never let you go. Cuddling with you would be a perfect right now. There is nothing that I want more than your hand in mine. The spaces between your fingers were created so that another's could fill them in. If she is an apple and you are an orange, celebrate your differences, make a great fruit salad. Love is not about being the same, it is about being sweet to each other. If he makes you laugh, kisses your forehead, says he is sorry, makes an effort, holds your hand, works hard and attempts to understand you, then believe it or not, he is quite perfect. Chocolate cannot compete with the sweetness of loving you. I want to see your smile and hear your laughter. I want to kiss away your hurts and hold you until you know, without a doubt, that this is for real. Please viewers, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watch my video.